Ngaphambi kuka 1994 lelizwe lalilwa inqubo yokubusa eyabe inonya okungubandlululo yanqoba. Emva kweminyaka engamashumi amabili nesithupha izwe selibhekene nesinye isitha esingabonakali okuyi coronavirus. Njengoba abanye abantu beveza osekuzuzwe intando yabantu, amaqembu ombusazwe azwakalise imizwa yawo ngalolusuku nokuthi luchazani kuwo.
Ngokomo bekufanele ukuba yimibhiyozo eMzantsi Afrika nanjengoko sikhumbula usuku olwazana nenkululeko kweli lizwe. Kodwa njengangoku sithiwe gubungu yi-coronavirus.
Today we are celebrating the 26 years since the ushering in of our democratic dispensation. We're doing it under very difficult and different conditions.
As we celebrate this freedom under the spectre of the coronavirus in South Africa and under lockdown, it perhaps gives us even more time to pause and reflect on just how important our freedoms are.
The 1994 dispensation came after decades of political struggle, and ultimately it led to the negotiated settlement that gave us our constitutional democracy.
Let us use this day to enjoy our freedom from crime against humanity. Let us also use this day as a country to renew our fighting spirit.
Ngokufanayo onke amaqela ezopolitiko ayangqina kwelithi kufuneka uMzantsi Afrika umanyane ukuzama ukulwa nalo bhubhane we-coronavirus. NdinguAbongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.